Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making Choo Chee, a rich red coconut curry from southern and central Thailand. It gets its name from the sizzling sound that the curry makes when hitting the pan. You may have seen this type of curry cooked with seafood or shrimp, but today we're taking it a little further by simmering some pork ribs for a full hour until they're falling apart tender, then finishing them in that glossy, kaffir lime-scented curry. It does take some time, but it's very easy to make at home. Let's watch while Warrawut cooks some. Start by boiling the pork ribs in lightly salted water for at least an hour or maybe up to an hour and a half. You want them to be very soft. Drain them well and set aside. Then, heat a wok or large frying pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the red chili paste and fry in the oil until fragrant, softened, and well blended with the oil. Add the coconut cream, stir it in well, and fry until thick and bubbly. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. Add the pre-cooked pork ribs, stir and fry them until well coated in the chili and coconut. Add 1/4 cup of water and stir. Add the seasonings and soy sauce. Stir it in and boil the ribs in the mixture for about 5 minutes or until thickened and oily. Add the remaining coconut milk and stir together. Boil again. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Add a few pieces of kaffir lime leaf, saving the remainder as a garnish. Allow the curry to thicken some, then turn off the heat. Serve topped with cut kaffir lime leaves and some red hot chilies. Now let's go over the ingredients. We're using about 400 grams of pork spare ribs cut into 2 to 3 inch pieces. 2 tablespoons of Thai red chili paste, the one known as Pik Gang Pet. 1 cup of coconut milk, not shaken. Divide the coconut milk into 2 portions carefully, so 1/2 is mostly cream and the other half is mostly milk. 10 kaffir lime leaves, finely sliced. 4 Thai hot chilies, sliced lengthwise. 1/2 teaspoon of Thai light soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Many Thai chefs will also add 1/2 teaspoon of roti pork flavoring and 1/4 teaspoon of MSG. But you can leave these out and it will still taste great. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!